So today in this lecture we are going to check out the answers of the questions which are given at the back of this chapter 7 of your book. So this is the content which is there in your book, okay? And I think we have covered up all the topics which are there. In case you have got any issue, you guys can please refer to the videos which are there on my channel. And after that also, if you come across any kind of issue, you can jot it down on a paper and let me know in the online class. I'll sort it out in the online classes. Fine. So till this page, you have to learn everything whatever have been taught to you in the online class, and these are the answers of the questions given in your at the end of the chapter in the back exercises. So section A, part A, fill-ups, these are the answers. You have to complete them, you have to write them down in your books. This is the B part, state true or false, and these are the answers. Now here, while writing down the answer of this application based questions, you have to make sure that you write down this thing correctly. This is background, okay? Background dash image colon URL. It is URL stands for uniform resource locator, and after that it is path of the image. This is a way of writing down the location of the image which you are trying to access on your what we say HTML document. And you have to leave this second part. This is not in your course, so you can just cut it down. Now let's come on this section B. It is a multiple choice questions. It is a multiple choice, and these are the answers of these MCQs. And you guys can leave this sixth one also, it is also not in your course, so you guys can leave this one too. Now let's come on this HTML. Answer the following, the B part. So here the answer of the first one is HTML is a most widely used language used to design web content for the internet. It will be, you have to read it like this: language used to design web content, okay? And here explain the terms tags and attributes. Tags are the building blocks. Here one word is missing, you have to add it in between building and of. It should be like this: tags are the building blocks of a web page, okay? And this is an attribute is a property that provide additional feature information, sorry. Rest everything is fine, I think. Okay, one correction we need to make, that you guys have to make in this answer of question number 4 is that, let me just read the answer for you guys. The heading is used, it should be a heading is used to define different heading levels in an HTML, okay? And after that, to display a long, it should be markup text, okay? Just cut out this part and write down markup text on a web browser. Paragraph element is used, okay? This is how you have to write down the answer, and this is the answer of this question number 5. So there are 3 methods we learned for accessing CSS cascading style sheets on an HTML file: inline, internal, and external. That's it. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.